Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back to play Omegle from PewDiePie Part 2. So let's do it again. Hello. It's hello. It's not hello like okay. I create video on YouTube. I create video on YouTube. So what? What happened? What? You see this? You see this? So okay, I create video. Holy shit. So oh my god. New chat. Sorry, my voice is broke because hey hey stranger is typing. So oh my god, stranger is typing. What? Why you new chat or the maybe what I talking about? So looking someone. Okay, you bought like PewDiePie. Oh, nothing to this thing. I create shit. Holy shit. Wait, what? Okay, hold on a second. What? Hey, you from Chinese? Oh, Malaysian. So don't be like a funny, no more face funny. Don't be like face funny. Oh my god. I create video on YouTube. I create oh shit. That was I talking about. I create video on so maybe looking for someone. Yeah. Whoa. Everywhere it's black again. Oh my god. Oh yeah. I create video on YouTube. Sorry, my brothers or my sister. And I don't believe on you. Why? So I say why. Okay. I don't believe. So okay. Strange. And I see YouTube again because my YouTube because you fuck black boy. Okay. Well, where PewDiePie? What like PewDiePie? Oh, okay. Okay. So, I got the hot girl. So I just pause the yeah. I just click on this. But find this. I wanna click find stranger and you again. Only oh oh my god. So click find stranger with fingers. I don't see. I want. I don't wanna see this thing. Uh, like the hot girl or the. So hey, I create video on YouTube and so hey yeah I create video on YouTube. Stranger is typing. Stranger has disconnect. Oh. Okay, just this subscribe my channel, like